never fades. The history speaks for itself, but not so much here tonight a case of who dares wins, but of who could possibly cope with Martinez. All stood up to be counted during a turbulent group phase, the new generation, while the aging heroes, Aguero, Firmino has got one, and while Gabriel Jesus still waits to score in a tournament proper, he did convert. World Cup qualifier. Game goes on, and Firmino looked across, and he must have been offside. But it's Dani Alves. Gabriel Jesus will just about get to it. The corner of the 6-yard box. That's where it's gone again, and Argentina were ready for it. Still no touch for Messi. Casemiro was in there breaking up play. In by Dani Alves. That's miscued by Aguero. Coutinho snapping away at Messi. Here's Paredes, who's had a fine tournament. Oh, he hits one from a mile out! And Alisson saw it coming, but it was moving very quickly. But the last few minutes have been much better, and here's Lautaro Martinez. Marquinhos out to him, but they've got to watch this boy, and he does well to get a corner. Bobby Firmino, taken and well taken by Otamendi, who forcefully came through on his Manchester City. Behind Firmino, Brazil go in front, Gabriel Jesus, the wait is over. And they haven't heard a roar like that in these parts in about 5 years. Since the 2014 World Cup. Brazil lead 1-0. Pizzella tries something slightly different, trying to get Acuna going. Here he is. Not quite for Aguero. Good spell for Argentina. Gabriel Jesus. Alisson comes for it, all too easy, at least gets going, finds Aguero, Lautaro Martinez, the block is a good one by Thiago Silva. Messi cannot wriggle free of Casemiro. It is a free kick though, and now the cheers turn to jeers very quickly. Argentina's free kick, Messi, slightly better, off the crossbar, Aguero was denied. Messi, Acuna. Dani Alves is still down. Artur filling in at right back. Artur steers away from Aguero, but Aguero didn't give up on it. Lautaro Martinez is in space. Messi was looking for him. Looks for his old compadre, Aguero! To go on, Messi. Messi kept a hold of it, and he's found Tagliafico into Sergio Aguero, held off the challenger. Signs that Aguero and Messi are becoming more influential. Tagliafico. Not much down the Brazil left so far between Alexandro and Everton. Coutinho. Heroes having the shirt pulled here. But Firmino correcting that tonight, running in behind. Dani Alves swings it in for Firmino. Tonight, Coutinho so far. Dani Alves, Argentina stretched. Not to get through. Fouled by Casemiro on Martinez. Stoppage for the injury to Dani Alves earlier. He's moving well again now, and here's Firmino moving well. Advantage played, and it's Messi who seeks to take advantage. To Aguero. Brazil defending so stoutly. So forward move by Pouw, found some space, the Udinese man. Now he looks long, but that is going to run all the way. Half-time has been reached in Belo Horizonte. And Gabriel Jesus is the man who's put the ball in the net. So Willian on. What does Argentina do now? Thiago Silva makes his move. It goes further to the back post, and Ahmed has gone along. Taliafico gets forward. Gabriel Jesus cannot stop the cross, and Aguero wasn't. Casemiro made a bit of a meal of that. Here comes Sergio Aguero. Argentina looking strong and threatening again. And Alisson gets down comfortably to deny Lautaro Martinez, but it was on target. 2 retirements before this. Here's Aguero. Messi lays it off. Pouw comes onto it and he blazes it over the top, and it's another let-off for Brazil. Casemiro. Thiago Silva. Brezil. Firmino seen off by Otamendi. The ball back, Lautaro Martinez. And again he strikes it instantly. It falls to Messi! Oh, he's hit the post, would you believe it? Would you believe it? Second time it will not go in for Aguero. To the Pouw. Nice and tidy in possession. Good early ball to Acuna. And not such a... Good from Brazil again. Coutinho looking for Willian. Pote is the defender, and Willian on his left boot somehow hoisted it in the air. Still gets it to Messi. Oh, what a piece. Dani Alves does brilliantly. Gabriel Jesus to keep it all the way through to Coutinho. On by Martinez, he gets it back off Messi. Oh, it's a brilliant reverse by Lautaro Martinez, and Argentina free flowing again. But yet again, they cannot make the breakthrough. The best they get's a free kick. And it's a brilliant first touch. Keeps it simple, gives it to Casemiro. Otamendi. Coutinho. That's the flatter ball we're used to seeing, but Lautaro Martinez. Casemiro gave it away. Lautaro Martinez to Messi.
Jesus успеет к мячу, Jesus уходит, Jesus и 2-0. Бобби Фермино. 2-0. А здесь успел посмотреть в сторону? Сейчас увидим. Сейчас увидим 2-0 на его спине, 2-0 на табло, и Копа Америка, финал чуть ближе становится для сборной хозяев. Подозрение на пенальти в чужой штрафной. Через секунду мяч оказывается в штрафной аргентинской командой Трау.
Ну, Jesus, конечно, здесь все сделал.
Building at the moment. Aguero gets onto almost identical position. Dani Alves is doing some auxiliary walk behind the wall. This time it's only a corner. Messi, Taliafico, Di Maria. Nice and tidy yet again, Argentina, but that little break in the... Messi, he's had his pocket picked. Here goes Bobby Firmino. Resume, he looks okay to do that, but he's down to 10 Brazil. Argentina keep on attempting to open this Brazil back line up.